This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your iMovie project and importing both your footage and the background color or image you want to use. Drag your main clip onto the timeline first so it becomes the primary layer, then add the color matte or image above it. Once done, set the playhead where you'll make the change. Make sure clips are ripe for trimming. Trimming now prevents later misalignment. This initial layering controls which element will be replaced or composited. Now focus on the overlay clip. Select it and open the overlay pop-up menu. Choose green/blue screen for chroma key or cutaway for a simple background swap. You'll adjust the strength and softness sliders to remove the original background cleanly. Move the tolerance to catch spill without eating foreground edges. Use crop and fit to align the replacement precisely. Once tuned, play through the section to confirm motion holds the effect steady and there are no flickering edges. Finish by applying color correction and stabilization to ensure the subject blends with the new background. This is why you adjusted softness earlier. Export or render a short clip to confirm playback matches expectations. If you see haloing or flicker, reduce chroma tolerance, clean the original plate, or relight the foreground clip. Sometimes changing the matte color slightly helps. If nothing fixes it, revert and isolate problem frames for manual masking. Then reapply the replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.